Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the platform Prince TV. If now first time to come across, all you have to do is to subscribe. Make sure you put on your notification bell. Anytime I upload my video, you'll be the first person to be notified and know what this video is all about. And then happy new week to you all, and then happy Monday to everyone under this platform. Those ones who are fans of Prince TV, much respect to you guys. All right, now I just bring an argument here to make you guys understand some things, because I stated this that I will come across this kind of situation whereby people will scatter me with messages on WhatsApp. There is one thing I want to make my fans to understand, that myself, there is no difference between me and you guys who are watching me. I'm here to give you guys updates based on news or what happens, most especially important information which you have to know. You understand? And then most times I go for research to get all this information. Now let's use Redditor the Emergenza as a case study. Now, INS have made it clear that, the Redditor the Emergenza, people will start receiving the message, and then which most of you confirm that you have already received the message. And then though there are people who have yet not still received the message, and then these people are not complaining, messaging me on my WhatsApp. Too many messages I'm talking to you. There are most of them who are saying, oh boy, they even the reply person. Many people are saying different kind of voice records stating that they are not seeing any message from the IMS. Today is Monday, they have not received any message. How will they receive the money? And then this is the video I did last about Redditor the Emergenza, that IMS have stated that even if you did not receive the message, there is still possibility that you will receive the money. Not everybody will actually receive that message, but at the end of the day, what is important is that they did not reject you for your application, and then you wait for the outcome and then see if IMS will credit you, and then which they promise that they will start the payments in this week we are, and then next week. Like this week and next week, the payments of Redditor the Emergenza will be kicking off. So guys, understand this fact that I'm just here to give you guys information, bring out the news, what IMS is stating about. I'm not the one who sent the message. I'm not the one who paid this money. My own is to give you guys information, enlightening that this is what is going on based on what you have applied already. That is where my case rests. I'm not to send you the message. So many people are saying, oh boy, they never send me message. Oh, they never send me message. Guy, not be me they send the message. I beg. My fans, please, guys, always take things easy. Don't take it harsh with me on my WhatsApp side. You understand? When they message me, I never reply on now. When I'll calm down, because as we take go work today, go to do your things. Now, so me myself still they do my own things. You have your activities, I have my activities as well. So guys, I try to represent, putting my best to bring out information. Don't always take it to be that if I did not reply you on WhatsApp, that means I'm rude. No, I'm not rude. I reply everybody when the time is there. You understand? Because I know if you leave waiting I won't go do, then I can't go to reply all messages one by one. And this message, let's say plenty well. Most people go record for good 5 minutes. How do you expect somebody to come and listen to your voice record for 5 minutes, 7 minutes? Just, if I make voice record, let it be something at least a minute, 2 minutes, okay. So guys, I'm just here to clarify the Redditor the Emergenza, which people are asking. I have not received message. What will be my hope? Will IMS pay me? Many people have received message. My friend don't receive, me never receive. What did they happen? Guys, nothing they happen. Una will calm down. The IMS go pay una money. If they accept you already, they send you message acceptance, then know your own is perfect. Then if they have not sent you message, provided that they did not reject you, send you a rejection message, you still have to confirm them. I don't want to read any article. I would have still flashed back the article where IMS made it clear that not everybody will actually receive the message, but at the end of the day, they will end up receiving the money. So guys, please, I remain your loyal boy here on this platform, Prince TV. Don't take me to be as if maybe I'm rude when I don't reply you on WhatsApp. I will reply you guys one by one. The message is plenty. I need to listen to the message, and then most of them say the answer not there. I need to search, look for information, go where to find this solution to these questions. So that is just it. If you message me on my WhatsApp, don't be offended. I plead, and then I come to apologize to those ones who deleted their message already. You can still resend the message. I'll reply you guys. So that is just it. Have it in mind that IMS will pay for your Redditor the Emergenza. provided you are not being rejected. That is the information I have for you for now. And then those of you who were sending messages, that is what you have to understand. Make sure you hit the like button. That will make me to know that you have accepted my apology. Till next time again, we'll be together. I remain your host on this platform, Prince TV. Ciao.